favorite food is pizza.
Pizza, 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 pizza.
Pizza with marinara sauce. It's just so creamy and delicious.
My favorite food is enchiladas rojas, so red enchiladas, or mole. Specifically mole to make because it's my grandma's recipe, and so it's been passed down and I really enjoy making it. It's thorough but delicious.
My favorite food originates from my grandparents' hometown, Puebla, Mexico. It's called a semita. It's a torta or sandwich made with a special bread.
My favorite food is Maryland crab cakes. Nobody makes crab cakes better. Nothing compares. Texas seafood is not good enough. Doesn't compare to East Coast seafood for sure.
Things that I like to make, I get a lot of requests for a strawberry cake that I make. And then at the holidays, families always ask me to make some great hot sauce.
I love cornbread, and honestly my favorite cornbread recipe is just the Jiffy box. But the key is you have to put a scoop of Crisco fat in the pan.
I love to make, it's like a Tuscany chicken with cream spinach. That's kind of like my go-to recipe. I think it's healthy, and it has it's very flavorful, so I enjoy making that recipe.
My family every single Sunday growing up had sour cream coffee cake, and so I think that is just such a comfort food for me, and it's a family recipe. I couldn't even tell you what goes in it. I know it's like your basic cake batter. It has cinnamon and brown sugar swirled throughout and then a crumble on the top, but every Sunday morning when I woke up growing up, it was on our kitchen table, and so that's probably one of my top favorite foods of all time.
Great aunt's sour cream pound cake. Reason being, it's just something you can have in the morning with coffee, or you can have it at night for dessert. And inside of that recipe, like she